All right, so I've entered my payment information, and on the next screen, we are presented with some options. Keep in mind that these options will change as Blue Domain adds new services and products. What they've offered here is a quick start coaching session, which will help you understand, the tools with your hosting and all of that stuff for $29.99. Now, I have a course that will walk you through using WordPress, and it's actually a free course, and so I don't believe that you actually need to do this. You can go and use my free course, and you don't need to do this $30 coaching session. The option to add additional domain names may seem alluring because you might want to try and lock down all of the different variations of your domain name. However, unless you have a good reason for that, I wouldn't recommend going and buying all of those domain names unless you really plan to either do something with them, or if you want to really prevent anybody else from having them. Of course, if I don't buy them, somebody can go and buy the .net version or the .org version of my domain name, but that doesn't really bother me in most cases, especially if I have the .com. Another option is SEO link building. I don't typically suggest signing up for anything that seems like an automatic SEO link building tool. You have to really be careful with this, because if you pay for links, you potentially could end up getting blocked from Google. So without knowing a lot more about this service, I would recommend bypassing it and not signing up for it. We'll go ahead and click complete to complete our order. We chose no additional options here. Now it's going to ask me to create my password. So I'll go ahead and create my password in a new tab here. It opens up, and so it's asking me to make a really strong password. So I'm going to go ahead and type in what I think will be a really strong password. Of course, it says my password's weak, although that is a pretty strong password. You want to make sure you choose a strong password here, even if it means writing it down somewhere or using the password generator, because if somebody was to guess your password, oh, and look, I need to have a symbol in my password, I'm just going to use their password generator. If you don't choose a strong enough password and somebody's actually able to hack your hosting account, they could wreak all sorts of havoc on your website. So this is the strong password. Obviously, it's something that I would never be able to remember. So make sure that you copy it to your clipboard and then paste it in place and then create your password. And then make sure that you write your password down somewhere where you will remember it. I'm going to go ahead and place it here in my little document that I have opened. All right, so now we're able to log in to our hosting account. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my password and submit so that I can log in. The previous tab that we had opened is just a congratulations page that gives me my account information and tells me exactly what I signed up for. I can actually go ahead and close this page. So now that we're logged into our hosting account, we're going to go ahead and get WordPress set up, and we'll start that in the next video.